It has been renovated. Finally, it's done. I started making stained glass panels again. So here I wanted to go with you through one of the panels, which is called Coral. It's a very large piece, has 16 panels in total. But I wanted to go with you through all the steps. Here I'm making the jewels. I just call them jewels, but they're little glass nuggets put together with the Tiffany technique. I solder them all together, nice and rigid, nice and shiny. And they go in the middle of the panels. I actually need to redraw part of my drawing after I make them. So here, after that, I just cut my largest pieces of glass. Which you can see here, I'm also getting a bit organized, getting the big overview of what I'm trying to do. I cut the biggest one first because then I can always cut smaller ones after in case I break a panel. I also need to make sure that I select the right types of glass. So if there's a lot of bubbles or not a lot of bubbles, just make sure that there's a nice flow and when you look at the bigger picture. Here I'm cutting the smaller pieces of glass from my leftovers. I'm cutting the row B now, the 4 panels in the row B, as you can see on the drawing that's lying left to me. Helps me keep track of what I'm doing. I put all the smaller pieces in separate boxes for the right panels. I number them, etc. Here I'm putting the pieces into lead. I cut all the lead strips to size. You build up a stained glass panel by really slowly putting all of your, it goes really slow in reality, of putting your glass pieces in the corner, and you kind of build it up from there. I'm ending with the most complicated part. It's fitting the jewel to the glass pieces. I only have a really narrow lead strip, so I cannot really make errors. It needs to fit really correctly, but it worked out fine here. After that, I'm closing all of my lead strips to prepare them for soldering. And it's a time to kind of clean up my workbench and get ready to solder. So after I applied some flux, I solder all of the lead strips together, the crossroads, as you can say. And after that, actually, we solder the back, which you don't see, but then it's done. This is the result. It's actually meant to be seen in low lighting, so that it's more how it should be. It's really meant to be a play on transparency, and I hope it will look really nice, all of the panels together. So hope you enjoyed it, and hope I can show you the end result later.